since I got help from GPT about it. This is not set up with my vision. Unfortunately, with all the time you spent 43 minutes, only only thing you need to change is the bulk import part though. And all of this may be overkill. I could use it though. Here is my vision laid out. This can completely replace your, I was going to say ridiculous, your bulk channel import. The reason for, I'm trying to give it context now. This tool called Influencer. Trucking Influencer is because I don't have time to watch videos at scale. So I don't know channel names to be listing. This is how it's this is how it is supposed to be done. Bloop. Do I delete this? Yeah. Bulk channel import. Oh, let's see what it says. What is this sound I got on a video? Yeah. I have to come back to that. I understand your vision now. You want a search first discovery system, not a paste URL and import tool. This makes perfect sense for trucking influencer discovery at scale. Let me call in the architect to create a strategic implementation plan for your two mode bulk import system. Create an implementation plan for a two mode bulk importation system. He said importation. Import system with YouTube search, heuristic and AI classification, and enhanced scoring. Amen. Let's do it. Perfect. I now understand your vision completely. You're right. The current bulk import doesn't match your workflow at all. You need search first discovery. Uh, 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 uh. Import. All right. Let's see. Let's give it a look over. Here's the implementation. Let's give it a look over with a new Google Vision Service Wrapper. Okay. All right. Let's see what GPT has to say about this. New York. Mm, 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 mm. Do, 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 do. Corrected and upgraded. Here we go again. 5 missing pieces. 3 critical clarifications. Oh. GPT and Agent 3 is going to be fighting after a while. Oh boy. Holy moly. What is you doing? Well, hold on here. This this vision stuff. You're talking about looking at the face for equal happiness, and what are you talking about? During the videos, you're checking the face to see if they're happy. Face emotion, probable age. Okay, all right. Logo detection. What is? What is that for? What are we going to use that for? Scene category. What is that about? What does that do? This all of the stuff you got. Are you repeating? Is this all this stuff is different than what it's already said it's going to do? And was this in the original plan that you gave them, or have you switched up things, or did Replit just not just ignore the last plan and left this stuff out? Because all this going back and forth with the same amount of content to be changed is ridiculous. I mean, this is how much stuff it was the first time, and you come back again with the same amount of stuff that need to be changed. Is interesting. Is Agent 3 just that bad at following directions? Or were there gaps before? Or what's going on here? And we don't want to repeat just to make sure. There's no need of repeating anything that is already said it's going to be doing, except for the purpose of having to squeeze something in between it and not wanting it to get, ensuring that it's going to be put in the right place. Or unless you just, I mean, if you're just redoing the whole things and integrating it all, then okay, yeah, that makes sense. But as far as adding stuff and switching stuff around, we're not changing up things, are we? Because we just go all night long changing up things. We just gave a comprehensive two mode. I thought it was comprehensive. That's what I'm asking you. Did you leave stuff out the first time or what? Because and the reason I'm asking, because I don't want to go through this again. This need to be the final time. Have everything in here that it needs to look at and implement. Hmm. Replit done went to sleep over here, I'm sure. I'm not sure if like a lot of these things Agent 3 already has planned, but it's just not going to give every minute detail in this plan. This is what I'm wondering about. I'm going to ask it. Where, oh, where are you tonight? Está bien. Don't want to go through this again. Don't want to go through this again. Come on, man. Something is broken. We seem to have locked in at the 1633 mark. Are you tonight all alone? Mm-hmm. Could have got in. Where, oh, where are you tonight? December, Mickey Mouse Day. Well, I guess I'll pause y'all because, you know, I don't know why it's taking it so long. Oh, you already paused. This is some bull jive. Oh, there it is. It's a whole different. Look at that. I knew it was tripping. Yeah, I figure it does look like things are ballooning again, and that's not what you want right now. Let me untangle a few things and give you a final trim. No more scope creep version. You can send rep. These bits, yeah, they're extras I added just as possible uses of Google Vision, not things you explicitly asked for, but they could be used for. Man, you know, I trying to evaluate their face. Angry or chaotic. Okay, valid, but no, overkill, actually. You know, over what? 300 videos? Ain't nobody doing all that. Probable age? Who cares? I mean, you don't need to look at the face to tell that. It's the content says enough. Logo detection. If they're repping carrier brands, all right, that makes sense. Scene categories tell us the content is mostly in the truck. All right, that makes sense. You gave it big vision, NLP scoring reports, two modes, filters. Replis agent turns that part into its own implementation outline. Well, if you didn't give it an implementation outline before, then it's got to. I then tried to tighten and clarify the plan so they don't miswire the logic, like filtering before they fetch data or run an NLP when the toggle is off. And doing that, I added some optional ideas, vision fields, logo. All right, you're repeating that again. So the core idea, two mode import toggle scoring stayed the same. The vision stuff is new and optional. The volume text looks like everything changed. On a lot of it's just restating structure and development language. You're absolutely right to say this needs to be the final time. Don't keep reshuffling. So let's do that now. What actually matters for this bill? If we strip away the extras, your real MVP priorities are find the trucking YouTube channels automatically. Da 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 da. Dee 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 da da da. Oh, vision. Keep it to YouTube plus OpenAI plus NFP optional. Oh, clean final change message you can send roughly. This is a small high signal update to lock everything in. Oh, it's gonna take another 20 minutes for it to add this in. Oh, I'll put y'all on pause.